Welcome back to the channel. I love diffusers, as you can see by the wall behind me. I have a new one to add to the collection today, and it's from Aloveco. This aromatherapy diffuser has an attractive wood grain finish, and it comes with a remote control. And this has 7 changing colors that you can either fix one or rotate through. Alright, so here is the remote control. There are 6 buttons: on, off, intermittent, continuous, timing, big, small, and light. Now I find this quite convenient. A lot of these diffusers don't have a remote control, so it makes it a little bit harder for use. I use a lot of the diffusers behind me just for the fact that they have beautiful colors, not the diffuser function, but of course it's designed to be used with essential oils for aromatherapy. Now, I'm going to add some water and a little essential oil and try this out. So let's open this up. Fill this to the appropriate level, which is 300 milliliters, and that's the max for this particular diffuser. Now you don't have to fill it up all the way, but of course it would last longer. It does have automatic shut off if you do run out of water, so you don't have to worry about it running out. Okay, put 3 drops of honeysuckle. Put this back on. And before I forget, I do have an instruction manual. The instruction manual does issue some troubleshooting and how to use the buttons and remote. Now, if you don't want to use the remote control, there are controls on the front. You have the mist time button and the light button. You just toggle through the mist time button and the light will show up here down at the bottom to show you what mode you are in. So I just turned the device on, and I want to make sure that you know that there are 4 different settings for this. The first setting is continuous, so you don't have to worry about turning it off or on or anything like that. The second one is 10-second intervals, so it'll come out every 10 seconds. The second one is a 2-hour timer, so you can leave it on for 2 hours for, maybe you have a party and you want the house to smell good. And then the fourth one is a 4-hour timer, so you can leave it on for even longer and then it'll automatically shut off. Alright, so on the remote, the big small button adjusts between high and low vapor output. So if you hear 1 beep, that's going to be a low level of vapor output. So I'm going to leave that here for a little bit so you can see. Alright, and then if you hear 2 beeps, it's going to be the high setting. You may not notice this in the camera, but the vapor is a lot thicker and there's a lot more of it. Alright, so let's get to my favorite part, which is the lights. It's, by the way, it smells really, really good. I put honeysuckle in there and you can just smell it all, and wow, this is great. Alright, so the colors switch between 7 different varieties, and then like I mentioned earlier, you can hit the light button again to select your favorite of those 7 colors and keep it there. I really like it changing through. I like just seeing all the different colors, so let's watch it for a second. Aren't those colors pretty? I really like that color right there. Well, the mix between red and purple. Alright, so that's a look at the Aloveco Essential Oil Diffuser. Please make sure you check the description section below for any links that you might need. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.